Geçen qaragöz qızılquştu.
Ist ein bisschen die roten Hosen grüner, ne?
It looks fine, but still not on the ground. Somehow looks wet on the body.
I think has got a shotgun in its body.
No, I mean like it looks like maybe it was in the water or something. Some feathers looks wet. And he's preening at the moment. But I'm not sure. I mean,
Anyway, I think you don't have a station for if you would be wanted to.
yeah, but I
Bring
wouldn't
it through.
leave it like injured or if it is. I don't see any injury, I don't see any broken wings.
No, the wings are, the tail is nicely held.
Yeah, it all looks good. Somehow weird on the ground. But I mentioned I saw them in ground, but
Good. Dr. Sulfo says he's doing well. No, he's flying.
maybe it's, yep.
Yeah. Happy end.